backwards. Where did it go? Oh my Lanta. I am not awake enough for this yet, but we're doing it anyway. Okay, please excuse me because I just got out of bed, but I came up here. I have some wall scrolls and they have come off of the thing, which happens a lot. This thing that holds it. And I forgot how to fix it, and then I remembered, and I was like, oh, maybe I should just make like a how-to video. So here's my wall scroll, and the top one is the one that has the hooks on it. And what you have to do is take the caps off of the end so that you can pull the scroll through the entire tube and then put them back on. And I think one of my hooks just fell off because I had the cap off. And what's better than a silly tutorial? First, you pull the fabric all the way through, and mine's kind of like broken, fallen so many times. Probably better frames for wall scrolls. This is just what came with them when I ordered them online. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I can figure this out. So you have to like pull this groove open so you can like have enough space. Oh my god. This is the worst how-to tutorial ever, right? Because like I don't know what I'm doing. But hopefully I can figure this out. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. See, you hear that? Did you hear that noise that it made? The best noise ever. It was like ASMR. But it's getting caught on this end and then coming out. And it's just being very freaking annoying. Okay, come on. You center it and then you put, I'm gonna put the pieces back on. Pieces back on the side so it doesn't slip through. And then we do the bottom one. Okay. This is oh, that's satisfying. And this one is missing the other cap. Why it got messed up? Because that tightens it up quite a bit if you can see the top. Okay, but now this one's fixed except for the hooks, which let's get both of the hooks on it. And then I'll show you the next one I have. So the hooks just slide right back on the top. There's a groove up in the top that you can slide. See the hooks into like this. We just use push pins because I don't have time to be all thing. Okay, but now look, yay, this one's fixed. Oh, this one isn't really messed up. This is my other one. And actually this one's okay. The bottom looks a little, okay. This is what it should look like. Make sure that your wall scroll has the stopper on the end. Make sure that it is completely in the grooves and that you slide it in there. They're up on top and you put the caps back on. And that is your tutorial on how to fix a wall scroll. My example. School Rambo! Fixed them! Yay!